Beautiful morning here. Not our typical start. Just unloading some canola from yesterday so I can head up north with this machine. That should about do it. Randy's out. He's actually picking up some bags right now so we can put some of the crop in bags instead of bins. And he's going to pick me up. Jeff is, I don't know, I heard some expletives flying from over there. Deere tractor with the auger on it. Maybe didn't start this morning because it was a little chilly last night. So I think he's boosting it, but I'm gonna head out, make the long trek up there. Headless. That is exactly what Jeff is doing. He's boosting the tractor. Holy smokes. They paved this road. Randy is loaded with bags. Machine's up here though. Got our grain bags off the back of the 1 ton. Now we just need to throw some tools on the 1 ton. Eventually make our way back up north. Nice breeze picking up, get rid of some of that dew this morning. And it's beautiful out. So we'll get to combining eventually. Header's hooked up, ready to head north. Randy went up with the grain cart. Nice. Probably 10 minutes ago. Jeff's got some augers to move around in the yard, and then he's gonna come up with the peat. So we'll have no shortage of space today. Gonna have to pump you again, am I? Yeah.
Oh.
Made her here, no problem. Just gotta hook this bad boy up now. Okay, I think I got her hooked. I think. Might be a little out on this side. Yeah, not quite square. Okay, I think I got her square now. Oh good, I got some extra set of eyes here. Not quite, just off my angle here. Son of a gun. Got it! Beautiful. Bit of a leaky seal.
Yeah, I think they actually just
think?
these.
The whole block.
Yeah, and you just put the hoses in. I think it comes with this threaded in there.
Well, I can run get it. Your dad can keep rolling. All right, well, the yellow one is laid up for a while. Gonna hop in this green machine, give it a whirl. Feel bad here, taking Randy's spot in this lovely machine, but Jeff needs his expertise, so hopefully those boys get that thing sorted. Have to go for parts somewhere, and maybe we'll get it running by the end of the day. Oh yeah, we're getting a little bit of wheat picked up here. Randy had to head off to get a part for that yellow machine, part or two, I'm not sure. Jeff and I were just combining for a bit, having some header height control issues. Hopefully got sorted. Clean my windshield off. Thanks, Ben.
Look, yeah, like you could try and close the rotor up a little bit, close the concrete up a little bit. But I was told with Sunnybrook that it needs to be opened up a bit so that you can.
Okay.
We gotta get the seeds out of the head, right? It could just be tough thrash. Right? I might just have to slow down.
Okay. Well, just got to tweak a couple things here and... Oh, 0. Oh, no, that's why. Just kidding. Don't have it turned on. Get to it. Well, this should load up the grain cart. Got a pretty full hopper here, which means another full grain truck. I don't even know if I'll have room in the cart here. But good news, Randy's back. Can't see him behind there. He's back with the part for the yellow machine, so he's getting that together. I just better try and unload the rest of this. We'll see. I had to unload the cart, partially because filled it almost to the point of spilling. So it looks like Randy, I saw him jump in the cab, so he's making progress on that header. I'll hop out and see if he needs a hand, but hopefully he's almost got it sorted. I kind of looked at Randy to see if he needed a hand from the grain cart because he was walking towards the shop here. He kind of went unsure, so it's not necessarily a great sign. Hopefully Jeff's back here soon and can give him a hand, because I got to keep combining, or we won't get our 60 acres today. Oh, that's the end of it. Well, I am done this little 40-acre chunk. Good news, Jeff's back. Bad news, that combine is not moving yet. I'm gonna go see what's going on maybe, or just give him a call. See where he wants me to head next. Oh my God, ditch. Son of a ditch. I got a full combine there, and the yellow machine still isn't moving. Not a great sign. So Jeff hasn't had a chance to move the grain cart over for me. So I'm just taking a nice stroll on this fine evening. Okay, good news. The yellow machine has moved. Jeff's gonna give that a whirl, see how it's running. That's good news. Took till approximately 7:30 p.m. according to the sun. But the yellow machine is making dust. Oh shit, I see something coming. What is that from? Is that like one of the paddles? No, they look rubber. Shit. Testing her out. Randy's gonna go try it out. See if this is some kind of integral piece to the whole operation. If it affects the performance, we'll see. Jeff's been going though, rolling steady. Way off on the little triangle. Oh yeah. Close the door here. dust is pouring out. So far, so good. I don't want to say anything, so I won't. Jeff must be done the little triangle. He's hopping across. So I think I'll move the cart a little closer, and then I can move the Volvo for him too. There's actually quite a nice breeze right now, so maybe we can go a little late today. Randy continues to roll, as does Jeff. Oh yeah. Nice whip around, bud. Good to see. Definitely way too close with the Volvo, so I gotta move. Well, the cart, I can't see from down here, but it is loaded. And all 3 trucks are loaded after this. Just talked to Jeff, he said it's getting a little tough, getting a little chattery, were his words. We'll cork the peat, probably fill the grain cart, and that'll do it.